Today I'm going to be making a South African style crunchy, and I will be decorating with some melted chocolate. And if you like this video, give it a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. 2 cups rolled oats, 1 cup coconut, 1 cup flour and 1 cup sticky brown sugar. I changed the recipe slightly by only adding half a cup of sticky brown sugar and a half a cup of light brown sugar. Mix and set aside. In a bowl with 250 grams of melted butter, add 2 tablespoons of golden syrup and mix until well combined. Add the butter syrup mixture to the dry ingredients and mix until well combined. Press out onto a baking sheet and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Cut into squares while the crunchies are still warm. Decorate with chocolate once they have cooled. And let's just say that I need to improve on my chocolate writing skills. I try to write subscribe to just Anya. You can do that by clicking the subscribe button down below.